Washington State's youngest residents now have a new defense against deadly diseases. The Department of Health is doubling the number of screening tests for newborns. KOMO 4's Eric Shadisky explains this could save dozens more lives a year.
That's what scientists do. They wear glasses, safety goggles, so they don't get their eyes poked out.
10-year-old Malik Lewis isn't a scientist yet, but he is a miracle.
He was at the UW in the emergency room, and they were doing testing for everything they could think of at that time.
He suffers a rare disease where his body doesn't break down certain proteins. The miracle. Doctors discovered the disorder affecting only 1 in 50,000 babies and successfully treated Malik. When he was born, there was no screening test to detect the disorder. Today, there is.
So at the end of the day, we're actually picking up 19 disorders on this.
The Department of Health now ramps up screening at their Seattle lab. The lab already tests for diseases like sickle cell and cystic fibrosis. Now scientists can scan for 14 more disabling or life-threatening conditions, all related to how we process food into energy, our metabolism, including the disease Malik suffered.
He's very lucky that he's not dead. He was very close to it. That won't happen for families anymore now that we're screening for them.
Scientists in this lab will test the blood from the 82,000 babies born here in Washington State each year. The new test will help them find dozens more who suffer from disease.
They're so rare that the average pediatrician will never see one of these conditions. Some of them 1 in 100,000.
But the next drop of blood from a Washington newborn signaling Malik's disorder or other metabolism conditions also signals new hope.
Many babies that are started with treatment at the beginning of life thrive much better.
And Malik thrives now, maybe even growing up to be a scientist. Eric Shadisky, KOMO 4 News.
The screening program is supported by a $60 fee when a child is born.